Hey there folks, my name is Jason Comerford and I'm here today to talk to you about why you might want to get some drone shots for your real estate listing. Now, there's three primary reasons that you might want to consider using a drone for the property you're selling. The first is that you want to get a good view of the size of the property you're selling. The second is that you want to get a good view of the area around the property that you're selling. And the third is that you want to get a better angle on the front of the house. The first one's typically the easiest to discern. Is there acreage? Are there interesting features on the land? Then using a drone for aerial photos is probably in your best interest. The second is also usually easy to figure out. Is the house a waterfront property? Is it part of a really lovely cul-de-sac? Is the backyard right on a greenbelt? Any features that aren't directly part of the property itself but help make the area around it desirable make for good drone photos. Now, the third one's not typically something most people think about unless they're photographers. Homes at the top of hills or sloping driveways can be difficult to get good angles on. Shots taken low in relation to the house result in a warped, odd-looking structure. Getting 10 to 15 feet up in the air results in something that looks a lot truer to the actual building. So there you have it, three simple scenarios in which getting a drone shot might be your best bet. Now, of course, there are other times and places that you might want to use a drone for specialty shots, especially with video, but these are the three big reasons. Still got questions about drones and how to use them? Let me know, I'd love to hear from you.